Hey, fellow vets out there, this is Kyle. Today we're talking about the ultimate act of betrayal from the VA, the one that makes your blood run cold. You open that brown envelope and you see the words Proposal to Sever Service Connection. They are not just reducing your rating, they are erasing it from existence. The benefits you fought for, the benefits your family depends on, are about to be terminated. It's a full blown declaration of war on your financial stability and your peace of mind. You feel like you've been stabbed in the back. And you have been. This is the VA's severance ambush, and it is one of the most disgusting, dishonest, and often illegal tactics in their entire satanic playbook. They let you in, they let you get comfortable, and then they come back years later to steal it all away based on some new garbage opinion from one of their paper pushing minions in a back room. They are counting on your shock and your fear. They are praying you don't know the law. They want you to believe their decision is final, so you'll roll over and accept their betrayal without a fight. You cannot let them get away with this illegal ambush. You need a powerful, precise legal counterattack. Before I give you the exact legal code you will use to get your revenge, you need to decide if you're going into this high stakes legal battle alone. You can join my AI Claims Bootcamp, which is absolutely free, and I will teach you the entire legal framework to fight an illegal severance. Or, if you are holding one of these letters right now and need an immediate crisis action plan, schedule a one-on-one Zoom strategy session with me. We will build your counterattack together. The links for my free bootcamp and for the one-on-one call are in the pinned comment or in the description below. All right, let's talk about how we get revenge. You need to understand the VA's own rules. Once they have granted you service connection, that decision is supposed to be protected. They cannot just change their mind a year later because a new CNP hitman has a different opinion. The only way they can legally sever your benefits is if they can prove the original decision contained a clear and unmistakable error. Q. And here's the secret they pray you never learn from their own regulation, 38 Code of Federal Regulations, Section 31105D. A Q is not just a disagreement. It means the original rater made an undebatable game over mistake based on the law or the facts that were in the file at that time. It does not mean that a new doctor, 2 years later, who never even met you and just did a paper only ACE exam, has a different opinion. That is not a Q. That is an illegal reweighing of the evidence, and it is grounds for immediate reversal. So here is your revenge plan. Step 1. Identify the ambush. Look at their proposal to sever. Are they citing a new CMP exam or a new ACE exam as the reason? Are they just saying a new doctor disagrees with the old one? If so, you have them dead to rights. Step 2. The motion to revise. You are going to file an appeal. In your statement, you are not going to argue about your symptoms. You are going to attack their illegal procedure. You will write these words: the proposal to sever my benefits is legally invalid. This action is based on a new medical opinion, which constitutes an improper reweighing of the evidence. The VA has failed to identify a clear and unmistakable error in the original grant of service connection, as required by 38 CFR, paragraph 31905D. I demand immediate restoration of my benefits. Step 3. Get paid. You have just cornered them with their own rules. You have exposed their illegal ambush. In a higher level review, a senior rater who is knowledgeable about the law will see this argument and be forced to reverse the severance. Not only will your rating be restored, but they will owe you back pay for every single month they illegally withheld your money. They ambushed you with a cowardly illegal tactic. We are going to counterattack with the full force of their own law. They want you to be a victim of their corruption. I want you to be the warrior who gets revenge. As I said at the beginning, I can arm you for this fight. The free AI Claims Bootcamp will teach you the legal strategy. The one-on-one calls are for us to build your specific legal argument. The links are in the pinned comment and the description below. Let's get your money back.